Looking to bring the lush beauty of the tropics into your home? Tropical indoor plants offer vibrant foliage, unique textures, and a refreshing atmosphere. These exotic beauties thrive in warm, humid environments, making them perfect for indoor spaces. Discover the joy of nurturing greenery that transforms any room into paradise. Let's quickly begin with peacock plant, Calathea mackoyana. Is a stunning tropical houseplant known for its intricate, decorative foliage. Its leaves showcase a delicate pattern of dark green feather-like markings on a pale green background, with a deep purple underside that adds contrast and beauty. Native to the rainforests of Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid environments and prefers bright, indirect light. The plant is non-toxic and safe for pets, making it an excellent choice for indoor spaces. Regular watering, high humidity, and well-draining soil help maintain its vibrant appearance. The peacock plant brings a touch of exotic elegance to any room. Elephant's ear, Alocasia, is a dramatic tropical plant admired for its large, heart-shaped leaves that resemble an elephant's ear. Native to Asia and Eastern Australia, it thrives in warm, humid conditions with bright, indirect light. The striking foliage can range in color from deep green to silvery tones, often with prominent veins. Alocasia plants prefer well-draining soil and consistent moisture but dislike waterlogged roots. They add a bold, architectural element to indoor spaces and patios. Though beautiful, they are toxic if ingested, so care is needed around pets and children. With proper care, they create a truly lush atmosphere. Prayer plant, Marantha leuconeura, is a charming tropical houseplant known for its vividly patterned leaves that fold up at night, resembling praying hands. Native to the Brazilian rainforest, it features oval-shaped leaves with striking green, red, and cream markings. It thrives in warm, humid environments with indirect light and consistently moist soil. The prayer plant is non-toxic, making it safe for homes with pets and children. Regular misting and well-draining soil help keep it healthy and vibrant. With its unique leaf movements and colorful foliage, the prayer plant adds a lively, soothing touch to any indoor space. Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa, is a striking tropical houseplant known for its large, glossy leaves with unique natural holes and splits. Native to the rainforests of Central America, it thrives in bright, indirect light and warm, humid conditions. Monstera prefers well-draining soil and regular watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. As it matures, its dramatic foliage and climbing habit make it a bold statement piece in any indoor space. Easy to care for and highly adaptable, the Swiss cheese plant brings a lush, jungle-like atmosphere, adding vibrant energy and texture to interiors. Snake plant, Sansevieria, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a hardy tropical plant celebrated for its upright, sword-like leaves and striking patterns. Native to West Africa, it thrives on neglect, tolerating low light, irregular watering, and a range of indoor conditions. Its stiff, architectural form makes it a popular choice for modern interiors. Snake plants are excellent air purifiers, removing toxins and improving indoor air quality. They prefer well-draining soil and should be allowed to dry out between waterings. With minimal care requirements and bold visual appeal, the snake plant is ideal for both beginners and busy plant lovers. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a popular tropical vine cherished for its heart-shaped, glossy leaves and easygoing nature. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in a variety of indoor conditions, from low to bright, indirect light. Pothos is highly adaptable, making it perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or as a trailing accent. It requires well-draining soil and occasional watering, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. This plant is also known for its excellent air-purifying abilities. With minimal care, pothos grows quickly and adds a vibrant, lush feel to any indoor space, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Watermelon peperomia, Peperomia argyrea, is a charming tropical houseplant named for its striking leaves that resemble the rind of a watermelon. Native to South America, it features round, fleshy leaves with silver and green striped patterns and red stems. This compact plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering. Its small size and attractive foliage make it perfect for desks, shelves, and tabletops. Watermelon peperomia enjoys warm, humid conditions but is relatively low maintenance. Non-toxic to pets, it's a safe and stylish addition to any indoor garden, bringing a playful, colorful touch to living spaces. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia, is a stunning tropical plant admired for its bold, banana-like leaves and exotic, bird-shaped flowers. Native to South Africa, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some direct sun indoors. When mature, it may produce striking orange and blue flowers resembling a bird in flight. This plant prefers rich, well-draining soil and regular watering, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Bird of Paradise brings a dramatic, architectural presence to any indoor space, adding a true tropical flair. With proper care, it grows tall and lush, becoming a breathtaking statement piece. Philodendron is a beloved tropical plant genus known for its lush, heart-shaped or deeply lobed leaves and easygoing nature. Native to Central and South America, philodendrons thrive in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light. They adapt well to a variety of indoor conditions, making them popular choices for homes and offices. Depending on the variety, they can grow as climbing vines or upright shrubs. Philodendrons prefer well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer to dry out slightly between waterings. Their rich green foliage adds a vibrant, calming touch, creating a relaxed, natural atmosphere in any indoor space. Anthurium is a striking tropical plant admired for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, waxy flowers, often in shades of red, pink, or white. Native to Central and South America, it thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity. Its colorful blooms, actually modified leaves called spathes, can last for weeks, adding a bold splash of color indoors. Anthuriums prefer well-draining soil and consistent moisture but should never sit in waterlogged conditions. With proper care, they not only bloom beautifully but also purify the air. Their exotic, elegant appearance makes them a favorite for brightening homes and workspaces. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia, is a popular tropical houseplant known for its large, lush leaves patterned with shades of green, white, and yellow. Native to Central and South America, it thrives in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light. The plant gets its common name from its toxic sap, which can cause temporary speechlessness if ingested. Dump cane prefers well-draining soil and regular watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. With its bold foliage and easy care requirements, it brings a vibrant, tropical feel to indoor spaces, making it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a hardy tropical houseplant admired for its glossy, dark green leaves and upright, sculptural form. Native to Eastern Africa, it thrives in low to bright, indirect light and tolerates drought exceptionally well, making it perfect for beginners and busy plant owners. The ZZ plant prefers well-draining soil and infrequent watering, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. It is also known for its air-purifying qualities, helping to improve indoor air quality. With minimal care needs and a striking appearance, the ZZ plant adds a modern, elegant touch to any indoor space. peace lily, Spathiphyllum, is a graceful tropical houseplant cherished for its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms called spathes. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, it thrives in low to bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil. Known for its ability to purify indoor air, the peace lily is a popular choice for homes and offices. It enjoys warm, humid environments and benefits from occasional misting. Though beautiful, it is toxic if ingested, so caution is needed around pets and children. With proper care, the peace lily brings a serene, refreshing charm indoors. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a bold tropical houseplant valued for its large, glossy leaves and strong, upright growth. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate lower light conditions. This hardy plant prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. Its thick, deep green or burgundy-tinted leaves add a rich, dramatic touch to any indoor space. The rubber plant can grow impressively tall indoors with proper care and occasional pruning. Its low-maintenance nature and striking appearance make it a favorite among plant lovers. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema, is a popular tropical houseplant known for its striking, variegated foliage and easygoing nature. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in low to medium light conditions, making it ideal for indoor environments. Its colorful leaves can feature shades of green, silver, pink, or red, adding vibrant beauty to any space. Chinese evergreen prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. It is also known for its air-purifying abilities. With minimal care requirements and attractive looks, this plant is a perfect choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. Bromeliad is a vibrant tropical plant admired for its bold, colorful rosettes and unique, long-lasting flowers. Native to the Americas, especially rainforests, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a humid environment. Bromeliads grow well in well-draining soil and often collect water in the central cup formed by their leaves. They require only occasional watering, mainly keeping the cup filled while allowing the soil to dry out slightly. With their exotic appearance and minimal care needs, bromeliads add a lively, tropical flair to indoor spaces, making them a popular choice for brightening homes and offices with vivid color. Croton, Codium variegatum, is a striking tropical plant celebrated for its vividly colored foliage in shades of yellow, orange, red, and green. Native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, it thrives in bright, indirect light, which enhances its brilliant leaf colors. Crotons prefer warm, humid conditions, well-draining soil, and regular watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Though a bit sensitive to changes in environment, they reward careful care with bold, eye-catching beauty. With their vibrant hues and dramatic presence, crotons add a lively, tropical energy to indoor spaces and sunny patios alike. Caladium is a vibrant tropical plant prized for its large, heart-shaped leaves splashed with striking colors like pink, red, white, and green. Native to South America, especially Brazil, it thrives in warm, humid conditions and prefers bright, indirect light. Caladiums grow best in well-draining soil and need regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Primarily grown for their stunning foliage, they bring a bold, artistic flair to indoor spaces and shaded gardens. As a seasonal plant, caladiums often go dormant in cooler months, resting before regrowing with renewed beauty. Their colorful display adds a tropical charm. Dracena is a versatile tropical plant known for its striking, sword-like leaves and easy care nature. Native to Africa and parts of Asia, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can also adapt to lower light conditions. Dracena prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. Its upright growth habit and often colorful or variegated foliage make it a popular choice for adding height and texture to indoor spaces. With its air-purifying qualities and minimal care needs, Dracena brings a fresh, architectural elegance to homes, offices, and other interior settings. Umbrella tree, Scaephlara, is a popular tropical houseplant known for its glossy, hand-shaped leaves that fan out like an umbrella. Native to Australia and parts of Asia, it thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys warm, humid conditions. Scaephlara prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. With its tall, graceful form and vibrant green foliage, it adds a lively, natural touch to indoor spaces. Easy to care for and adaptable, the umbrella tree is a favorite for homes and offices, bringing a relaxed, tropical feel to any setting.